How to claim the Discord Xbox Game Pass. Hello everyone, and let's get started. The new update of the Discord Nitro members will now be allowed to give a free 1 month trial of Xbox PC Game Pass. In order to do so, you must be a current Discord Nitro member. To redeem in Xbox, it is only offered for new Xbox PC Game Pass subscribers only. The steps to claim the instruction would be log into your Discord account and then tap on the settings or the gear icon. Now you have to be a Nitro member for this, and then under the Nitro membership you will see an option of gift inventory. Tap on it and then you will see the redeem codes option. Now here you have to select the C code button for Xbox promotion. Once you see on that, you will see Xbox PC Game Pass promotion in the gift inventory. Now you have to give 25 character code for this promotion. Give this pass to the friend, and this way you can successfully claim the Discord Xbox Game Pass. That is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.